French president looked tired but relaxed as he hosted a video conference with several charities. The meeting came only hours after the Élysée Palace announced that Emmanuel Macron had tested positive for COVID-19. The 42-year-old leader plans to keep working during his 7 days of isolation.
He will honour his appointments, but with even more caution than is usual at the Élysée for the president since the start of the pandemic.
In public, Macron wears a face mask and takes precautions, but at times he has failed to social distance. He's attended a number of events in the past week, including an EU summit. He also met several European leaders in Paris, including Portugal's Prime Minister Antonio Costa and Spanish Premier Pedro Sanchez, who are now self-isolating. In France, the Prime Minister and Macron's wife Brigitte are in quarantine. Several members of the government and President's party are being tested.
It is clear that the message from the Élysée is that it is business as usual. Unless Macron's condition deteriorates, he will remain in charge throughout his isolation.
The idea is that this doesn't change anything and it's not a big deal. That's what the Élysée is trying to say. But they're not saying what are the symptoms that the president has had. We know that he was tested after showing symptoms, and we don't know what those symptoms are.
The French government has lifted some lockdown restrictions, but reimposed a nighttime curfew. As the country continues to battle the pandemic, Macron's diagnosis is a sobering reminder that anyone can be infected. Natacha, Butler, Al Jazeera, Paris.